Mecca, in the heart of Arabia, was more than just a city, it was a holy place. People came from all over to worship at the Kaaba, a cube-shaped shrine. This made Mecca a place of peace and trade. The Prophet Muhammad was born in Mecca. He loved his city, but things were about to change. The Prophet Muhammad started preaching a new message, Islam. He taught about one God, Allah, and the importance of kindness and justice. Many people in Mecca rejected his message. They clung to their old ways and even persecuted the Muslims. Facing danger, the Prophet and his followers left Mecca for Medina in 622 AD. This journey, the Hijrah, marked a turning point in Islamic history. In Medina, Islam flourished. The Prophet Muhammad established a community based on faith and equality, but Mecca, his beloved city, remained in his heart. In 630 AD, after years of exile, the Prophet Muhammad returned to Mecca with a large number of his followers. The people of Mecca were afraid, expecting revenge. Instead, they witnessed an act of extraordinary compassion. The Prophet Muhammad, despite years of hardship, chose to forgive. He declared a general amnesty, pardoning his former enemies. This act of forgiveness was profound. It resonated with the very essence of Islam, a religion of mercy and peace. Mecca was cleansed of idols and rededicated to the worship of one God. The Prophet's decision to forgive transformed Mecca. It became a sanctuary for all, a place of peace and pilgrimage for Muslims worldwide.